Ow. Hey guys, so I'm kind of bouncing around projects, just ADHD style really. I'll get stuck on one thing and then realize I need to do something else. And anyways, you know how that goes. So I am now going to try to go ahead and start on the front tubular kit. Go ahead and get some stuff welded up on it. So that way I can get my proper measurements and things for my support mounts for my 8-into-1 collector. So this thing's kind of heavy. So I'm gonna definitely need a support. All right, so our gauge here, we are at 5 degrees. Once it finally stops moving. And then on here, we are at 5 degrees. So we should be good to go ahead and tack this in place. Now, of course, there are special magnetic welding tools that you would use to hold this in place, or maybe a buddy, neither of which that I had at that moment. Ow. I don't know if the camera caught that or not, but I caught myself on fire. Now, as far as the up and down angle for these, I had it set great. But this was around the time that I realized that the left and right angle was not quite correct. And this is why whenever you're doing this, you only do tacks, so that way it's easy to remove and fix. Good. Now guys, make sure that you ring that notification bell so that way you can see part 3 to this video, which is the final video. That will be the part where I install the headlight mounts and go ahead and touch it up with some paint. And then you guys get to see the finished product. So thank you so much for tuning in and hope to see you next time.